Ukrainian forces have scored a jackpot in the destruction of 3 Russian artillery guns. The guns were Koksan self-propelled artillery pieces, supplied by North Korea to Russia. In the video, it can be seen that the guns were positioned close to each other in the woods. The reconnaissance drone, noticing the track marks on the ground, immediately relayed the information to the HIMARS launcher unit. A guided rocket armed with cluster munitions was launched, precisely striking the target area and damaging all 3 artillery pieces. The Russian forces should have camouflaged the guns, and in this scenario, these SPGs should never have been placed so close together. HIMARS has a maximum range of 70 kilometers, while the Koksan's standard munition range is up to 50 kilometers, giving HIMARS a significant advantage in engagement range. These long-range artillery guns, with a caliber of 170 millimeters, pose a serious threat to Ukrainian forces. Taking out 3 targets with a single rocket is a major achievement for Ukrainian forces.